So we're back in downtown Gilbert. I got my boy Brad, the pitmaster, with me, and we're gonna try this place out. You've never eaten here.
No.
I've never eaten here. Lulu's Tacos, something that caught my attention. I don't know what Guadalajara style is. Is that what that says?
Yep.
Guadalajara style. I don't know what this is on the window either. So we're gonna learn together. We're gonna eat tacos and learn together. Lulu's Tacos. Let's check it out. Okay, we're waiting for the tacos at Lulu's right now. But I'm a condiment guy. Everyone knows I'm a condiment guy. They're winning my heart over already. Hot, medium, mild, pico, escabeche. Now I'm really excited because I'm a condiment guy to get all the salsas up. I don't know if Brad's a condiment guy, we'll find out. All right, Lulu's, here it is. I could tell you, I mean, it looks full. Would you say that that's full?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you gotta eat that over a plate.
Yeah, we're gonna eat this over a plate, but like I said, I'm a condiment guy. So we mix it up. Brad went with a little pico de gallo and a squeeze of lime. I'm going with the tomatillo salsa and a little bit of the escabeche. So enough talking, more eating. Very, very street taco vibes. Let's see. I don't know. I feel I gotta be delicate.
Right.
Gotta be delicate with it. Let's see. You know I'm crispy bits. You have crispy bits for me? I'm in. This is, I mean, you go first. I want to hear what you said.
So it's really good. It's got a ton of flavor packed into the meat. The toppings on it, the fresh onion and cilantro, maybe a little too much for
Little
me.
heavy, yeah.
Feels a little, almost like a salad. But it's bright and fresh too. So the squeeze of lime for me always highlights it as well. 6-4.
Okay.
I would eat it.
Yeah.
I would come here. I would drive by.
Yeah.
I would like it. I'm not mad about it at all.
Yeah. And probably a little tick higher than that. It is like a salad on top, though. There's a lot going on. The green salsa is very good. The escabeche is very good. There were a few larger pieces in there like that. That's definitely going to bring you down because I'm a small bits guy. Don't like the fajita style. Got to make sure that you chop all that stuff up. But I mean, you know, you're looking to get 3 or 4 yards on a first down. You know, this will do it for you. You're like you look ground and pound, right? Three rushes to a first down. This is a first down 4-yard run and sets you up in a nice second and long. You know, second and mid, right? So 6-7. 6-7 is right where it's at. If you're in downtown Gilbert, you need lunch, 2 tacos, rice and beans, $8. I would absolutely do it.
Yep.
So
agreed.
Guadalajara style Lulu's Tacos. That's a review.